Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. I have the Fabfitfun edit sale from summer, also my mystery bundle, so let's get in here and see what we've got. This may be the absolute single smallest box I've ever gotten from Fabfitfun, and they did let me know that one of my items was shipping separately and I haven't received this yet, but I'm tired of waiting, so we're moving on without it because we are going to do a mystery bundle battle with Jessica over at Everything Proof Beauty. So let's get into this. I don't even remember what I ordered from the edit sale except for that mystery bundle, and we'll go through that first and then we'll do the mystery bundle battle. If you are new to Fabfitfun, Fabfitfun is a lifestyle box. It comes out spring, summer, fall, and winter. It is $44.95 if you sign up annually, pay for a year in advance, $49.95 if you pay seasonally. I have plenty of videos up where you can go over and check out the Fabfitfun boxes, but what this is the edit sale. And this used to be the Fabfitfun sale. They did the add-ons at the same time the box came out, but then they also did an edit sale between two seasons of the box. Now they have a billion sales. I only did the edit sale this season, so I was very proud of me because I am want to get on and purchase something from all of the sales. If you are new to the mystery bundle battle, that is something that Jessica and I came up with, Jessica over at Everything Proof Beauty, to make doing the mystery bundles more fun. I will show you my mystery bundle, and then I will put a link below that will take you over to her mystery bundle, and then we will both, in our community tabs, put up a poll, and you can vote for whichever bundle you think is the best, which one you would more want to receive. I have won the last couple hands down, so while I want my bundle to be good, I also kind of want Jess's to be better, but we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. Apparently, I only ordered a couple of items. Oh, like I said, I have something coming and I'm not sure what it is that ships separately. The items that ship separately are usually lifestyle type items, so you would think I would remember, but I don't. Okay, let's gloss up and see what I've got here. The first thing I have is cold pressed avocado nourishing scalp pack with banana. Something about that sounded so good to me. And this is the pack of them. I will let you guys know down here what I paid for them versus what their retail value is. There are three, and it's real squishy. That's the technical term, squishy. It is a 1.69 fluid ounce pack. And I was gonna say, and I can't read any of it to you, it's mostly in Korean, but down here, there's a little bit of English. Take your scalp to a new level of fresh and clean comfort with this luxury head spa treatment. Containing the cold-pressed avocado and carefully selected botanical ingredients, this banana-added soothing scalp pack provides rich nutrients to leave malnourished scalp perfectly nourished and fortified and hair feeling light and soft. I don't know if it's my scalp, if it's my hair, I'm having a lot of breakage. Nothing ever suits me. You guys have heard me talk about it. I will try all the things for your hair, all the things. And this is the next in line to be tried. Next, I have something else unusual in a little bag. I am totally confused. I have no idea. Oh, this is the free thing that you can get. If you order over, I don't remember how much it was, you can select a free item. And I'm not gonna open this anymore because I'm gonna put it back in the bag for the kids, but it just says Siesta Key on it and it has glitter in it, and it's just a blow up beach ball. They are going to the beach next week, so I'm gonna slip this right back in the bag and give it to them. Okay, next I have Privé Revaux eyewear, and I have to be frank, I don't know whether these are like reading regular glasses or more sunglasses. I have selected sunglasses in so many boxes that I want to say it's probably sunglasses. I am looking for the perfect pair. I just opened a pair of diffs in my Goldie Boxed. I will link that up here in case you want to go over and check it out. I like them a lot. They may be the ones that I wear for the rest of the summer, but look how awesome this case is. It's nice and firm, and it's kind of triangular shaped. Oh, and when you open it, it says Privé Revaux. We have sunglasses. That is so pretty. It's almost like a red velvet on the inside, and it says, oh, Privé Revaux X Madeleine. I don't know who Madeleine is unless she's the cookie. That's the only Madeleine I know. If you know who Madeleine is, not the cookie, let us know below. Oh, right, I remember now. These were red, thus the red on the inside. So whoever Madeleine is, I bet she likes red. This is a really good cat eye. They are kind of reddish, but a subtle red. I hope that comes through at all. Love them. They are oversized. They are definitely oversized, but they are so dark. I'm so dark behind here, you can't even see what I'm thinking. I like the shape of these a lot. They fit perfectly. I have 2 or 3 pair of Privé-Revaux now, and I have readers, and I like them a lot. Oh, look, it says the Privé-Revaux X Madeleine. Boy, they really think I should know who that is, and I don't. And I've told you guys, with sunglasses, the test is that. How do they look on my head? Does it look very 1950s with that bold cat eye? Hello, darling. Well, those are very pretty. I like them a lot. I may put these and then the ones I got out of my Goldie box both in my purse because they're 2 very different moods. Those are very pretty. I am glad I took a chance on them because I saw them and they were red and I was like, I like them. Okay, that is all that I got for add-ons in this box. And I do have something that shipped separately, but I don't have it yet. If it's really good, I'll probably show it over on Instagram because it'll just be one thing. Or if I have a haul coming up, I'll throw it in there. Okay, mystery bundle time. Jessica over at Everything Proof Beauty and I will each show our mystery bundles. We'll link it in the community tab. You can go in, you can vote on both of our channels, so you can vote twice. Let us know whose you think won. Which bundle would you prefer to have? Because that's the fairest way to do it. If you were gonna open up a bundle, which one of these would you want it to be? I have been pretty lucky. I started out my Fabfitfun experience, my very first mystery bundle was horrific. But they have been pretty good recently. I actually, and when I did my customization today, I added that smaller refills mystery bundle that you could add for $15, I think. I added it to both of my boxes. I don't know if Jessica's gonna do that or not, but reaching in first, I have a huge pack of masks. I mean, it is huge. And it's Avatara, or Avatara maybe, because it has the big long over the A. Avatara Juicy Watermelon Hydrating Watermelon Masks. Free of parabens, phthalates, silicones, formaldehyde, good, and fragrance, and it is cruelty free. And there are 8. Let's see if they are all the same. I love this little pouch they come in. This is a really handy way to keep the masks that I keep downstairs because I have a lot of masks. So I keep them up here and I take a few down so that I'll have like one that's detoxifying, one that's moisturizing. This would be a great way to keep them downstairs. Oh, so I have different ones. I have 2 watermelon, 2 juicy Avo Bravo. And then I have 2 juicy pineapple. How cute are these? Oh my gosh. And the last 2 are juicy peach beach. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Back says, life's a peach. Are we right? Become a vision of ripe, stunning radiance as this mask brightens your skin with natural peach extract. And the beauty is, I can absolutely use this one. The juicy pineapple says, a pina colada for your face. Okay. Nourish skin from the inside out with this exfoliating, pore cleansing pineapple treat. Sometimes pineapple can be a little for my face because I'm so sensitive, but I will definitely try one as long as I can. And yes, I can. Next, we have the Juicy Avo Bravo Soothing Avocado Mask. This one sounds more up my alley. It says, great on toast, better on your face. Leave skin feeling calm and fresh with amazing avocado. And I can use this one too. And then the first one we took out was the Juicy Watermelon. I probably said watermelon because, you know, I saw the pictures of the watermelon, but you probably saw that when I came to camera. Watermelon. A little slice of hydration. Give the skin the moisture it deserves with ultra nourishing watermelon. And I can use this one too. All right, so I got a pack of 8 masks, 4 different kinds, and miracle of miracles, I can try them all. Next out of the bag, I can't even imagine what this is. It says space, something space. I tell you, looking in the bag, what's your guess? Huge hat, 1970s doily. I just don't know. Oh, it's very firm feeling. Oh, it's a hat. It is definitely a hat. It is L Space, a 100% paper, designed in California, made in China, one size, Do not wash, spot clean only. It feels kind of like one of those macrame, well, it says it's paper, so it feels like one of those baskets that you would get. Here we go. I'm telling you right now, don't giggle. Okay, you're gonna giggle, but I won't hear you. But at least pretend like you're not giggling, because the only kind of hat, and this is ironic, because I'm not a country girl, but the only kind of hat I look decent in is a cowboy hat. Ready? Are you sure? Doesn't she look adorable? Slightly like a mushroom? Oh my goodness. I just do not enjoy myself in hats. I just, could I do anything to it to make it more? No, that's not helping, right? So, I look like one of those kids in the movies that I'm gonna go out singing in the rain. What if I did it all up? No, not better yet. How about the front down, the back up? Am I cool? Am I a smooth criminal now? Okay. Jessica and I, when we do this, we each name our bundles. I may be forced to name mine. The one with the adorable hat. The hat is fine. This and the hat, let me know below what you think. I already know what you think. Be nice. Next I have, and I know I love this, it is a Gustus Vitae set. And I just got one of these. Actually, I got a salt, I don't know. This one is a sugar one. Oh, summer berry coconut cake. Oh, the set is called Have Your Cake and Eat It Too. Oh, I just got in my Goldie box one of the salts, Chipotle sea salt, I think. And I have had some of their sugars before, but never any of these. Most of my other sugars got used by my husband because I was busy trying to be really good. He used them for his teas. And when we take these out, this is what they look like. I have 3 of them, and the beauty of them is they stick together. But you can also just stick them up on your fridge. They are so handy. So this is, I have like 8 now. I officially have a collection. This one is ice cream cake, summer berry coconut cake. I will use anything coconut, and smoky vanilla cherry. All right, let's see if we can smell these. And when you get them, you can take them apart, and they have a little shakeable and pourable side, and you just turn it until, here, let me show you. And you can just turn it until that's what's exposed. Oh my gosh, the smoke coming off of this with the cherry in it, I'm having a sense memory. Williamsburg, Virginia. You know how you can walk, if you're on the East Coast or you're in the West Coast and you've ever been there, you can walk down the middle of the main street that's there, Duke of Gloucester, is that right? Oh, I think my brain might be working today. And there's usually lots of fires burning, and whatever it is, whatever the wood they use is, this so puts me in the memory of that. That is so interesting. Oh my gosh, if you like made a s'more, so you had the chocolate and the roasted marshmallow, and you put a little bit of this sugar on it so you had that smoky cherry added, oh, I'll be doing something good with that. Now we're gonna take the time to smell the other ones. This one is the ice cream cake. Oh, it smells good. I don't think you could have put it to my nose and I would have said ice cream cake. It smells kind of vanilla-y. Yeah, that smells good. And last in the set, come on, coconut. We have berry coconut cake. I love coconut. I love berries. Blueberries, strawberries, blackberries, but raspberries are not my favorite. And it seems to me whenever there's like a berry blend, isn't it always raspberry that comes through the most? So come on, not raspberry. This one is very mild. After the 2 other strong ones with that vanilla and then the other one with the smoke, this one is almost undetectable. We'll assume it smells fantastic. So the Gustus Vitae set, and I have one more thing in here, and it is Do Calm MD Skincare Pits Cool Deodorant Wipes. Okay. Tea tree to cleanse and remove residue. Aluminum-free 14 packets, biodegradable fabric wipes, 8 by 6 inches. Neutralizing and refreshing with natural ingredients. And the back says deodorant wipes with natural salts and enzymes. So I'm gonna salt myself like you would a steak. Infused with tea tree extract, natural salts and enzymes, this natural deodorant wipe makes freshening up quicker and easier than ever. This smart wipe attacks the root problem of odor, clogged pores, and trapped bacteria by cleansing and toning your underarms with naturally antibacterial ingredients. Just a quick swipe will help neutralize body odor and provide lasting freshness. Well, I'm not sure that I have this problem. I do use natural deodorants most of the time. It has been so incredibly hot this summer, and you guys have heard me talk. I'm up taping in my room today, and it's supposed to be like 98 degrees outside, so when I get a couple videos in and I start to melt, just know that it's supposed to be wicked hot. So on days like today, point of that is, on days like today, I use my Secret. So maybe these would be good for cleansing after the days that I use my Secret to get all of that gunk out of there before I go back to using my natural. That's a good idea, right? If you've ever used these, let me know if you think that's a good idea for it. But there are 14 of these packets. That is pretty interesting. Okay, that is my mystery bundle. I wonder if Jess can beat that one. I mean, how could she? I got this awesome hat and these pit wipes. So in my mystery bundle, I did indeed get this lovely hat. I should definitely do this as my thumbnail, should I not? These lovely pit wipes, the Gustus Vitae sugars, which seriously, serious business. These things are good. They sell them in the Fabfitfun edit sale, so if you see them floating around, especially on sales, I highly recommend giving them a try. And then this 8-pack that has 4 different kinds of masks in it. So this is my mystery bundle. And then for my add-ons, I have the product to be named at a later date, which hasn't arrived yet, my Privé Revaux glasses. Hold on, I have to finish this look. Okay. Your girl's beach ready now, isn't she? Yeah, she is. I have my beach ball, which came for free. I did not purchase that. And the 3 avocado hair masks. If you have any interest in Fabfitfun, I will put my link. I always have my Fabfitfun link below. It will get you $10 off your first box. The edit sales are just one of the sales you can take advantage of. I mean, why wouldn't you? Who wouldn't risk a mystery bundle to look this cool? The glasses weren't in my mystery bundle. This would be a winner. These I paid for. Well, I paid for the mystery bundle too. Yeah, I bought that hat. All right, thanks for coming by, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And I'll see you really soon.